Bonjour à tous. Welcome back to my channel Lingo Learners Talk. In this video, we shall talk about one of the basic concepts of French grammar, that is, the articles, called les articles en français. No sentence is complete or correct without these articles in French. So let's begin. The first category is les articles indéfinis, that is, the indefinite articles. English equivalent to this is a or an. For example, a book, an orange. In French, all the objects are gender based, unlike in English. So, for masculine objects, pour les objets masculins, on utilise l'article un. We use the article un. Et pour les objets féminins, for feminine objects, we use the article une. Now these are used for singular objects. Un, une. For plural objects, we have another article, that is they. They is used for both masculine plural and feminine plural. When there are two or more than two objects, we use the article they. You must be wondering how to use them in a sentence. Please don't worry. On va l'apprendre à travers des exemples. We will get to know that via examples. Let's go through them. Qu'est-ce que c'est? What is this? Now, what do you think it is? A book, right? Book in French is masculine, so we will use the masculine article. Un livre. Un livre. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Un livre. Now, here we have a bag. Bag is also masculine, so again we will use the masculine article. That is un sac. Un sac. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Un livre. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Un sac. Guys, in French, the male gender dominates. That is, when we are talking about animals, in general, we use the masculine article. We consider that all animals are male. Until and unless we are referring to a female animal. For example, a dog is un chien. A cat is un chat. So, un chien, un chat. Un chien, un chat. We say a dog, a cat, un chien, un chat, masculine. But for feminine, for female animals, we have another way of saying it. Now, here we have a lamp. Lamp in French is feminine, so we will use the feminine article, that is une. So, une lampe. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Une lampe. Now, here we have a chair. Chair is again feminine, so we will use the feminine article, that is une chaise. Une chaise. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Une lampe. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Une chaise. And most of the words in French ending with E are feminine. Let us go through some more examples. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 books, plural. So we will use the plural article, that is they. Des livres. Des livres. Now let's see what do we have next. 1, 2, 3 chairs, plural. So here we will use the plural article, that is they. Des chaises. Des chaises. So we have covered the category of les articles indéfinis. Now let's talk about the second category of articles, which is the opposite of the first. That is les articles définis. English equivalent to this is the, the. For example, the book, the orange. We have the same concept here, masculin, feminine. but we have different articles. Pour les objets masculins, on utilise l'article le. For masculine objects, we use the article le. Et pour les objets féminins, on utilise l'article la. For feminine objects, we use the article la. And we also have L apostrophe pronounced as le, used with words starting with a vowel A, E, I, O, U, H. Because we cannot have two vowels together, so we write L apostrophe. Instead of writing LE and the word or LA and the word starting with a vowel, we write L apostrophe and the word starting with a vowel. For plural objects, we have les. Les is used for both masculine plural and feminine plural. Let us go through some examples. Now here we have box, the box. Box is feminine, so we will use the feminine article, that is la boîte. Now here we have table. Table. Again, the table. So feminine, la table. La table. Now let's see what do we have next. Notebook. The notebook. Masculine. So le cahier. Le cahier. Le cahier. The notebook. Now here we have the sofa or couch. It's masculine, so we will use the masculine article, that is le canapé. Le canapé. Now let's see what do we have next. One pen, two pens, plural, the pens. So les stylos. Les stylos. Because it's plural. It's a plane. The airplane. L'avion. Now see, avion starts with the vowel A, so we write L apostrophe, l'avion. Because we cannot write E and A together, so we write L apostrophe avion. L'avion. Now let's do a small revision. Bag. C'est un sac. This is a bag. Say le sac. This is the bag. Definite. For example, this is the bag that I was talking about. So definite. You're particularly referring to it. Now here we have a chair. C'est une chaise. It's a chair. Say la chaise. This is the chair. For example, this is the chair that I want. Now here we have two lamps. Plural. So ce sont des lampes. These are lamps. Ce sont les lampes. These are the lamps that I like. Definite. So you have c'est un sac, c'est le sac, c'est une chaise, c'est la chaise, ce sont des lampes, ce sont les lampes. Now let's do an exercise together. Complétez avec les articles indéfinis et définis. We have to complete it according to the situation. Now here we have a book. Say dash livre. It's general, it's indefinite, it's a book. So c'est un livre. C'est un livre. This is a book. Now here we have say dash livre de Paul. Now here we have an owner, Paul. So this is Paul's book. Say le livre de Paul. This is Paul's book. Nous écoutons dash professeur. Professor is masculine and we listen to the teacher. So definite. So le. Nous écoutons le professeur. Here we have 1, 2, 3 chairs. Let's see what the sentence is. Il y a dash chairs dans la salle de classe. So there are chairs in the classroom. Indefinite and plural. So il y a des chaises dans la salle de classe. Il y a des chaises dans la salle de classe. There are chairs in the classroom. Now here we have two pens. Plural. Dash stylo ne marche pas. We are particularly referring to these two pens. Le stylo ne marche pas. The pens are not working. These two pens are not working. So, le stylo ne marche pas. Je vais à dash école. École is starting with vowel E. So we will write L apostrophe. Je vais à l'école. I go to the school. Je vais à l'école. That's all on articles. I hope the video was informative and you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon and also hit the like button, and please share the link of this video as the channel is new, so I need more subscribers. Thank you so much. Au revoir.